out among the others you see. She makes me happy, makes me feel so good. I wouldn't marry Bunny B if I could. We're too young, we got a long time to wait. But Bunny, baby, that don't mean hesitate about loving me. So kiss me, Bunny, Bunny B, Bunny B, Bunny, Bunny, Bunny B. Well, Bunny, Bunny B, she's the pride of our school. When she walks down the hall, well, all the kids all do. Had her long blonde hair and cherry pink lips and turned up nose that makes a cat wanna flip. Flip over Bunny, Bunny B, Bunny B, Bunny, Bunny, Bunny B. Well, I told Bunny B I'd take her riding with me. I told her I'd show her all she could see. She don't know, but it'll be too dark. Oh, that lover's lane is where I plan to park. And I'm gonna ask her if I can kiss her then. And if I can, I'm gonna do it again more tenderly. When I kiss my Bunny, Bunny B, Bunny B, Bunny, Bunny, Bunny B. Well, Bunny, Bunny B, she's the pride of our school. When she walks down the hall, well, all the kids all do. Had a long blonde hair, cherry pink lips, and turned up nose that makes a cat wanna flip. Flip over Bunny, Bunny B, Bunny B, Bunny, Bunny, Bunny B.
He reached in his pocket and he flashed a quart and hollered, "Rave on, children, I'm with you. Rave on, cats," he cried. "It's almost dawn and the cops are gone. Let's all get Dixie fried." Now Dan got happy and he started raving. He jerked out his razor, but he wasn't shaving. And all the cats knew to jump and hop. He was born and raised in a butcher shop. He hollered, "Rave on, children, I'm with ya. Rave on, cats," he cried. "It's almost dawn and the cops are gone. And let's all get Dixie fried." The cops heard Dan when he started to shout. They all ran in to see what it was about. And I heard him holler when they let him away. He turned his head and this is what he had to say. He hollered, "Rave on, children, I'm with you. Rave on, cats," he cried. "It's almost dawn and the cops are gone. Let's all get Dixie fried. Get right." We ever saw. He let us all know he wasn't scared of the law. And through the black crossbars he tossed a note to his dear. Said, "It ain't my fault, hun, that I'm in here." But hollered, "Rave on, children, I'm with you. Rave on, cats," he cried. "It's almost dawn and the cops ain't gone. And I've been Dixie fried." Hey, little girl, do you wanna ride? Hey, little girl, do you wanna ride? Come along with me. We're gonna rock around the clock. You know I like your waist. I love your tie. Woo, I like your waist, baby. I just love your kind. Come and hold my hand. Let's talk about all night. Now do you want to ride to broad daylight? Do you want to ride to broad daylight? Hold my hand, everything will be right. Well, swing fast, swing fast, swing slow, swing high, swing high, swing low. Do you want to ride to broad daylight? Come along with me, everything will be right. Now do you want to ride to half past four? Do you want to ride to half past four? We'll rest a while, yes, rock and roll, just a little bit more, just a wee bit more, woo, wee bit more, just a little bit more, just a wee bit more, just a little bit more. We're gonna keep on rocking, yes, till it's time to go. Stop, stop. Just a little bit more, just a wee bit more, woo, wee bit more, just a wee bit more. We're gonna keep on rocking, yes, till it's time to go. And now, do you wanna rock to broad daylight? Do you wanna rock to broad daylight? Come along with me, everything will be right. Swing fast, swing slow, swing high, swing low. You wanna rock broad daylight? Come along with me, everything will be right. Now do you wanna rock to half past four? Woo! Do you wanna rock to half past four? We'll rest a while, yes, and rock and roll, just a little bit more. Wee bit more, woo, wee bit more, just a little bit more. We're gonna keep on rocking, yeah, till it's time to go. Just a little bit more, just a wee bit more, woo, wee bit more, just a little bit more. We're gonna keep on rocking.
You can't be my loving baby, you ain't got to stop. I'm gonna get some real gonna love that'll drive a cool cat wild. Wanna move on down the line. Wanna get me a gal that'll go out all the time. Well, move on down the line. I'm gonna get me a gal, make some pie. You're gonna be squat, you can't be slow. Or when you start to strutting, we gotta go. I'm gonna move on down the line. Yeah, in love, loving all the time. Yeah. God, she'll be free, do me wrong. She'll be cool and twice as gone. They're gonna roll on down the line. I'm gonna get some love, loving is truly fine. Well, I'm gonna move on down the line. I'm gonna get some love that's truly fine. Well, twice as gone. When you start to strutting, she's gotta go. I'm gonna move on down the line. Well, I'm gonna do right all the time. I'm gonna do right all the time. golly, good golly, baby, what you trying to do to me? Don't you know I'm stuck on you? You see, speak to me and I'm your slave. Your good loving is all I crave. Good golly, baby, I'm in love with you. There's nothing in this world I wouldn't do. You know I'll follow you to your grave. Your good loving is all I crave. Start spinning round and around, turning upside down, talking all out of my head. You heard what I said? Good golly, baby, when you walk down the street, my heart jumps and then it skips a beat. I'm shook up for days and days. Your good loving is all I crave. I start spinning round and around, turning upside down, talking all out of my head. You heard what I said? Good golly, baby, what you trying to do to me? Don't you know I'm stuck on you? You see, speak to me and I'm your slave. Your good loving is all I crave. Good golly, good golly, good golly, good golly, good golly.
Well, what you say, baby? You look ready as Mr. Freddie this black. How about you and me going spinning at the track?
What's that, homie? If you think I'm going dancing on a dime, your clock is ticking on the wrong time.
Well, what's your pleasure, treasure? You call the plays, I'll dig the ways.
Hey, Daddy-O, I'm not so crude as to drop my mood on a square from way back. I'm in there and have to dig life with father, and I mean father slack.
Well, baby, your play gives my wig a solid flip. You snap the whip, I'll make the trip.
Well, lace up your boots and we'll broom on down to a knocked-out shack on the edge of town. There's an 8-feet combo that just won't quit. Keep walking till you see a blue light lit. Fall in there and we'll see some sights. That's a house of blue lights. There's fryers and broilers and Detroit barbecue ribs. But the treat of the treats is when they serve you those fine 8 beats. You want to spend the rest of your brights down at the house of blue lights. While we dig those tunes like they should be dug. It's a real home